Would you believe me if I told you that with just one click of a button and by watching a video, you can get $5 in return? And if you want an additional $1, you just have to like or comment on the video. So, are you willing to do that? You can do all of these simple tasks even on your smartphone and just spend a few minutes each day earning money online. So in this video, let me show you the steps on how to set up a free account. This brand new website that nobody else is talking about is available in many different parts of the world. Make sure you watch this video until the end because I'll be sharing a bonus tip that will allow you to make an extra $50 every single day without doing any work. Hi, welcome to Daily Cashflow, a channel that shows you all the best sites on where to make money online with all the best ways on how to make that money. So before we get to the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Let me introduce this website called paidwork.com. There are 5 various ways to make money on this website. First, you can play games. Second, you can get paid by filling out surveys. Third, get paid by watching videos or video advertisements from different websites. And lastly, you can be paid through online shopping. But here, we'll focus on the task of watching videos. For example, this video right here. You could earn money by watching it for just a few seconds. You can also like and share this video to earn additional rewards. You can also subscribe to the channel, for example, and leave a comment to keep making money. To get started, there are 3 simple steps. Step number 1, select a method of earning. They offer 4 methods to earn money, so you can use whatever you want. They have many options, so that means you have more opportunities to earn money. Step number 2, start earning by doing all the tasks and the steps that are required. You'll receive your payment after you finish your task. And step number 3, let the website and its team handle the process of your billings. You'll get paid once you've gathered a certain minimum amount of funds in your account. As you can see, you can access this website on your computer, laptop, or phone. You may download the app version of Paidwork on the App Store or Google Play Store. These are the benefits that you can get from this website. Paid work can be your full-time or your additional job. If you have access to the internet, you can definitely try this one out. The good thing is, you can try this opportunity wherever you are in the world. You'll be able to get paid for your time spent and engagement on the platform. It's stated here that when you follow all of their simple instructions, you can earn $150 without additional taxes or charges. There's also no limit on your earnings. You can do the task whenever you want or how many tasks you want to finish, so you can decide how much you want to earn. Also, just a reminder, if you like the video, please consider leaving a like. You could also subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. And ringing that bell would really help so you get notified of each upload. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. To establish a free account, all you have to do is click the registration button above. You'll be directed to this page where you may create an account and start earning money. Just simply enter your email address and password and click the Next button. Or you can also use your Google account or Microsoft account for fast registration. After you sign up, you'll be automatically directed to this page where you can already see your dashboard. Since this is your first account and you haven't yet finished any tasks, you won't see any money right now. But don't worry, as you start making money, they'll show up on your dashboard. So the first thing you should do is verify your email. Go to your inbox and click the activation link. As soon as you click the Verify Your Account button, you can start making money. Next, add some basic information about yourself. By doing this, they'll display better paying ads to earn more money. Now, go to the Win button that's placed on the left side. Here, you can choose from different methods to start making money. These 4 tasks are the ones I've mentioned earlier. And here, they have micro tasks that will be available soon. Again, you have 4 different methods. The first one is to watch videos, which, of course, involve watching videos and video ads on different websites. So just click the button to start watching videos and earning money. Make sure you download the application from the App Store or Google Play Store because this is the only way to make money. So, this is what the application logo looks like. Remember this one so that you'll download the right one. Next, they advise you to take advantage of the referral program. Invite your friends by sharing the referral link to make money. So, if the person makes the first payment, both of you will receive $10 for free. Earn money by watching video advertisements. There are different websites where you can watch video ads. As soon as you watch the entire video ad, you'll be paid right away. You have the freedom to pause the ad and close it, but when you do that, the advertisement will stop playing. So don't waste your time and just wait for a few seconds. You can also receive random YouTube videos when you click the watch button. Simply click play to start watching the video. Make sure to keep watching until the timer expires. This is crucial because if you pause the video before the allotted amount of time is passed, you won't be paid. For leave engagement on social media, all you have to do here is to access a website where you may leave numerous engagements, just for example, the different social media sites like YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. As you can see, there are a ton of opportunities and jobs you can do to make money online. Also, just a reminder, if you like the video, please consider leaving a like. You could also subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. And ringing that bell would really help so you get notified of each upload. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. On YouTube, you can watch videos, subscribe to different channels, and like numerous videos. While on Facebook and Instagram, you can like and follow other users. They're so basic that anyone can do them without any prior knowledge. By merely clicking a few buttons to watch videos and leave comments, you can make money continuously. For YouTube views, you'll be taken to random YouTube videos that you can start watching again. Just click the settings to lower the video quality to 144p to watch the video more quickly. Remember to click the like or share buttons if you want to earn more cash. After clicking the share button, you'll see the URL of the video. Simply click the copy button to share it on other social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, email, or any other platform. And yes, there are numerous ways to make money. You'll get paid for things like leaving comments and writing simple reviews, finishing surveys, creating accounts, and subscribing to other people's newsletters. Now let's try another method, which is by filling out surveys. As you can see, there are a lot of surveys from different companies that you can start answering. You can do this during your free time to have some additional source of income. You can definitely try earning from the different methods they provide here, and it's much better to try all of them to earn more. And now, because you've made it until this part of the video, I'll now share the bonus website. The website will pay you an extra $50 every single day. Visit Coinbase.com. Click the Individuals section and choose Learning Rewards. So you'll be taken to a page where you may learn about cryptocurrencies and earn free money. They will pay you more every time you watch a video or complete one of their free courses. Of course, you need to make your own free account to start taking the free courses. There are several free courses available that will teach you about cryptocurrency and will pay you by watching the videos. After finishing one category, simply come back and view more courses, and repeat the process to keep earning. And there you have it, another brand new way to earn money online. Just share your comments and thoughts below in the comments section. I hope this video is somewhat helpful to you. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from today's video, and to get updated with the next videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.